I'm Smile Babate, your nurse. So for today, i-demo ko kasanot ag bed batting. So he is my patient. So first nga midin tayo my fit. Ag after the permission due patient no kayat na ti madigos. So sir, kahit mo ba ti madigos sir kasi according to your doctor sir na bayad ka kanun nga nagdigos sir. Kahit mo ba sir? Okay. No malpas na, no nag-ask ni permission, of course, i-prepare the gay equipment nga mausay. The equipment, sabon, basin, water, bath, small bath, towel, bath towel. And then, no malpas ag-perform the hand hygiene. Dito di ka importante an. Malpas ag-perform the hand hygiene, ag-suot the gloves. Ngayon, awan gloves ko so nga imagine lang tayo na the gloves. Okay. So, dito bath towel, apply tayo dyan ti patient. Spread tayo dyan ti patient for privacy. Aging ganat ito yung neck na lang. Tatlo, maka-angis mo na. After that, we din tayo dyan gown nga inusay na. Tatlo, mapatikusan tayo. So na. Okay. Nagpas. Okay, so before ang start nga mapagigusan suna, ti purpose na ti bed batting is to provide comfort and promote proper hygiene and also to prevent microbial infection. So, start tayo and sir, dabatin naka-contact lens ka ba sir?
Ano ma'am?
Okay. So, lang tayo day towel na pagpunas. And isok tayo dito eh. Numalpas din nga isok, alam tayo day towel nga pang dry to numalpas nga mapunasan nga may cabin to eh. Babati tingad na. Pas, after that, alam tayo dito eh. And do the proper folding. After nga mai-fold, tumagan tayo dyan, patient, no? Ay, bagato yung patient nga, dalusan tayo dyan pa nga. Sir, dalusan ako darubam, sir. And, tikwa na dahil dito na tatayo ito nga side. Iti first nga, dalusan tayo ijay nga side. Tap, no? Awan ti cross-contamination. So, first nga punasak ka dito'y inner cantos of the eye. Dito left nga banda, pakastoy. Pakasay. And after nga punasan, ag-change iti towel. Kasi, may isang eye nga, may cut ko. Baka, may infection. Kasi sensitive the eyes. So, and then, do the proper folding. And then, jay, punasan tayo manin aglugid sa inner cantos of the eye going to the outer part. Dito right, na banda, pakastoy. And then, malpas, ag-change tayo manin ti towel. Punasan tayo dahil face na. Agrugiti forehead going down to his cheeks and of course to the other. And then we will now wipe his neck and likod ears na. To the other side. Oh, after that, we'll now take off this one and then pat dry. Handa na dyan likod ears. Natikas to lang pinagpat. Han nga i-rub. Okay. So, after nga may dry the face na, walang tayo di towel and then tumagan tayo no. Kahit na nga at shave. Sir, kahit mo ba shave?
Alin mo?
Okay, magpas nga maas di ay. Next tayo. Ito yung arm part. Ito yung arm part. Irugi tayo dyan left na, left side. So, where i-expose tayo dyan left na arm na. And then, towel. Alam to di towel. And then, igaman tayo juris ti ima. Tapos, kabila di towel. And then, patong na dyan. After that, agalat tayo ti towel. And then, soap. Malpas na i-soap, do the paper folding. And then lock. And then, punasan tayo yung tiima na. Gugitiris, agpangato ijay. Ito yung shoulder na. Di pinagpunas kat firm stroke to promote venous circulation. To promote venous circulation. Like this. Gana. And then, sir, ingatong pilot. Ma'am sir ta, punasak dito'y ayan ti, baba ti arm mo and then going to the armpit. Okay, the side. Pass, sir, baba mo sir. Sir, kahit mo ba nga, you per ti imam sir? Di ganun sir?
Alin mo?
Okay, so madika din patient, so nga, punasan pero dyan ti ting na. Ting na, dito fingers na. Like that. After that, katin tayo dito and then, pat to dry, like this. Okay. After that, katin tayo. Alam tayo yung wrist, then katin yung towel, and then, cover. Okay, and then we will go now to the other side of his arm. So, i-expose dito yung arm na, and then, agikabil iti towel, lanjuris na, and pangato yung ima, then kabil iti towel. After doing that, agalangan yung iti towel, and then, soak it to the water. Sir, sir, kahit mo ba masabunan ti, ma'am sir?
Alin mo?
Do the proper folding. Ano, sir? Napak lang word, sir. And lock. Di pinagpunas, basta din kasata ko tayo dyan. Hold the wrist of the arm, and then certificate pumas. Ag pangato, aging gana shoulder. And titawag na tayo firm stroke. And then, gana shoulder. And, sir, nga ito imam, sir, tayo particular timang punasan, sir. Store. Malpas, ibaba, then, i-ask yung patient mo kahit na nga, i-upper dito'y ima na. Sir, kahit mo, sir? So, mati na, so, punasan ka na lang dyan, middle 3 fingers na. Malpas, kadang-dry mo na dito'y towel, and then, pat to dry. Then, lantaran dito towel. And, of course, coveran tayo. And then, first, we'll go now to the part of his chest going to his abdominal. Okay, let's look again another towel. And then, do the proper folding. And malpas, sir, ito na kung part anti-baging, sir. Sir, okay lang ba, sir? Yung punasak sila, sir? Ay, punasak dito, baging?
Ay, okay lang.
Okay. Sir. So, castor, then apply. Punas, pababa, 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 then decide. Okay, then pass. Then naman pass, katin tayo man dito eh. And then, i-check tayo yung water no narugitin. And narugitin, so kailangan tayo nga sukatan. So, malpas na sukatan yung water, syempre, agisuk tayo man another towel. Tapos, i-expose tayo the left part of his leg. Dito nga banda ti mapunasan. Okay. And then, pag-i-cover tayo ti coarse towel. Gaman tayo dyan, ankle na, then i-cover tayo the towel. Okay. After that, alam tayo dito towel. And do the proper folding. Sir, paki-flex man dito sa akin, sir. Okay. Leg stop, no? Mapunasan. Dito'y bandati, babati, leg na. Ipinagpunas, pangato. Stoy. Tawag na dito'y firm stroke. Okay. Malpas si Jai, Jai baban. Gaman tayo. Then, punas. Punas. Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
kahit mo ba, sir, nga mai-upper dito sa fit mo, sir, ti danon?
Alin mo?
Kaya, sir,
Malamig.
malamin kaya, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
So, madi na kahit nga mai-upper, so mapunasan tayo dito in between of his toes.
Okay.
Okay? Like that. And then, pagkalesa ka na, and then they position na that tie. And remove this one. And do the tap to dry. Pat to dry. Okay. Then, we will now remove this towel. Malpas na ma-remove, coveran tayo ulit for his privacy. Okay? Malpas, of course, dito yung other side of his leg. Dito yung right side. Expose. And then, put the towel. Put the towel. And soak another towel in the water. And do the paper folding. And ito lang. After that, we will now flex his leg like this. Then, manasan tayo nagpangato. After that, pantayin di baba. Okay, nagpas. And sir, fit mo ba nga yung projective? Fit mo, sir?
Alin mo?
Okay, madina kayat so nga punasan tayo the NT in between of his toes. Like that. After that, kanin tayo ito yung bat na nosar and tap to dry. I.e. baba tayo, then tap to dry. Pat to dry. After that, doon tayo J, ang tulisakan na, then gulugin tayo dito yung towel, and then coveran. After that, sir, kahit mo ba sir nga mapunasan sa likod mo, sir? Tama, press 1 ka, sir?
Well, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Sir, baliktad ka pa lang, balikod ka pa lang this side, sir. Sir, balikod ka pa lang sa side, sir. Pabalik ka din, cover yung towel dito and then kalamansi sa bali nga towel sa kidjay water nga pangpunas kidjay likod na. Okay. And do the proper folding. And lang. Sir, punasan kong likod mo, sir, well? Punasan tayo likod na by doing the swim stroke. That. Okay. Neck up to the neck ang ginganap to perineal part na. After that, present tayo dito and of course, pat to dry. Nagpas, present tayo yung towel and bagad yung patient nga pagbaliktad. Sir, pagpakustig ay simpamon sir the position mo. Supine position. Itawag na tikastor. Ito sa hamster. Tatan.
Well, ma'am.
May admit lang, sir?
Pwede, ma'am. Naglamhi. Inom na po.
Okay, sir. And, okay. Tata, sir, lampas ka nga paligbusan sa kahit nung agad sa lotion dito yung skin mo, sir.
Okay,
Powder na yun, sir.
Anin, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Pingay naman din, sir.
Ay, pangbabae lang, di kita.
Ay. So, ayan, sir. Sige, sir. Nagpasin, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
And that is the bed bathing. Thank you.